Hey everyone, and welcome to another movie about Bitcoin news. Yes, we're still on the hour time frame. I don't want to talk about the big picture any longer. We did that earlier today, and not much has changed since then. We'll leave it on this short time frame for now so that we can give you a bit of an update after the daily candle closes. Not a lot happened. I told you yesterday that I thought the next 24 hours would be very important. So yeah, not much really happened, okay? At least help is still there. I thought we might get some kind of answer today. There wasn't really a choice though. Yes, the market is still above support, but I thought it would either break through support or move away from it. Right now, all we can see on the picture is consolidation in this support area. That doesn't really show any progress. The building hasn't changed at all. We're still above the upper micro support area, which is set at 68,886 and goes from 66,780. We can make that a little smaller though. Because of this, I like to keep the chart clean. The lower support levels are what count right now. The market has already reached the 78.6 FIP level, so they need to hold. We are probably in a B wave slowdown, as I told you. If this is the yellow count and wave 4 hit its bottom, which hasn't been proven yet, then the market should really respond to this support area. And B waves can be big, okay? I mean, the 78.6 FIP level should be holding, which means the low is really in. That number was already checked here on Tuesday. Checked it again. I wasn't able to build up enough upward energy. Early this morning, I said that this might work as a small 1-2 setup, but I wasn't sure. Yes, because it didn't seem very rash, but it was possible. It's no longer possible because it made the low slightly lower, but that doesn't change the idea of an AB structure here. This could still lead to a C wave rise up to 76K. Because this C wave isn't going to go all the way up to 76,460, there will probably be another ABC structure here. This ABC is most likely going to be a part of a bigger wave. First we get a B, then a C. But for now, the attention is on the right levels of support. We'll see how that goes. Now, if we break below this small micro support area, there's still the red line, which is the breaking point of the structure I've drawn in yellow on the chart. This was the low point of wave 4 on Thursday the 23rd. We would be in the top of the white B wave if we broke below that red line at $66,300. This would send us down to around $55,000 to $58,000. I'm not in favor of that right now because the move from the May high was only a 3-wave drop. In this case, the only way the C wave could spread is if it is an ending diagonal. After that, I need more proof of that. From here, things still lean slightly toward the upside, but it's possible that wave 4 needs to start over a little lower. A break below the red line would prove this. Overall, Bitcoin has been really well behaved over the last few days, as shown by this architecture. So, the next step would be to find help and turn around. This would be a great place to do that. I mean, I said that yesterday, but the price hasn't changed much since then. Still the best place for it to turn around. A break above 68.9K and then a break above the top of wave B at 70,670 would be the first signs that wave C is going up. Yes, that's right. After that, we should get to 76,460. This is kind of what goes on here. Please keep in mind that if wave 4 resets, the next level of support will be this lower borderline and the golden ratio. Okay, if that breaks, I guess wave B reached its peak. If the line breaks below the red one, it could mean that the B wave topped, or it could just mean that wave 4 is getting a little bigger. In a bigger A, B, and C configuration, the B wave was a WXY. That is, wave A would go down, wave B would go up, and wave C would go down. I could still call it a wider wave 4 decline as long as the 61.8 retracement holds. Then, a break below that micro support would mean that yes, we are trying the lower support region again, which is the main support region. There aren't many secrets here. There is nothing new or surprising. We hope that tomorrow is a little more interesting. Also, these reports are the worst because there isn't much to talk about. Quick look ahead. What come next after these 5 waves? The next 3 waves should go back down if the first 5 waves go up. Something like that will depend on how long this 5th wave lasts, since we need to make sure we're in line with the bigger goals. If the price breaks above the March high, it will mean that there has been a 5-wave move to the upside and that the next bigger top is in place. But it's possible that we'll get a longer, bigger 5th. In other words, this 5-wave move that might be happening now is just the first wave of a bigger 5th wave. Then, after the 4th wave, it hits bottom on May 1st and goes through a 3-wave pullback. That's why it will get worse. Yes, and then, but oh, if we stick to the white count and wave 4 is still going on, the market might try to turn around again from here. All of that is said about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the news. Please click like, comment, and subscribe if you did. Thanks for watching, and please let me know if you like what you see. Goodbye.